What family of 3 needs 120 eggs? It seems like we got nothing and we spent $260 something. But inflation, wow, I really feel like we got nothing. Hello. It's just so cute. I can't. Okay. Hey everybody. I just got back from Costco and we did a big compra, as my mom calls it, a big food shop for a bunch of necessities. It's currently January 31st. So it's like almost the beginning of the month. I would say we got enough stuff for 2 to 3 weeks or a month, depending on what the item is. So I figured I would show you guys what we got from Costco. I went with my husband and my 1-year-old. My 1-year-old is sitting right there and I'm giving him, he wants to be eating some blackberries. So he just finished his plate. I'm gonna get him some more. So he'll be quiet, maybe. Okay, so I'm not gonna organize this in any specific way. I'm just gonna pull things out of the bag and then show them to you. So the first thing I'll start with that my son is eating are blackberries. I got 2 of these because, as you can see, he already ate a quarter of this box and we haven't even been home for like 30 minutes. I got my big old reusable bag here. I got these Just Bare lightly breaded chicken breast fillets. I usually get the chunks, so I got the chunks as well, and I've had these before, but my husband and I saw these and we thought this would be good to make chicken sandwiches. We got a whole pack of bacon that'll last us a long time. This is another bag. In this bag I have raspberries. I got 2 packs of these. Between me and my son, we go through fruit really quickly. And the next thing I got are Brussels sprouts. Junie, my son, and I love Brussels sprouts roasted. So good. So love to have those. And then we got 6 organic mangoes. I picked up this Rayo's marinara sauce. I always get this. Every time I'm at Costco, I feel like I pick up the 2-pack because we use this a lot. Then we grab, I think that's it for the groceries, which, oh, no, it's not. Hold on. We got a lot of meats. Well, big packs of chicken. We got the boneless, skinless chicken breast. And then we got the same boneless, skinless chicken thighs. He's enjoying those raspberries. Wow. And the last food item I got are 5 dozen eggs. 5 dozen eggs. I got 2 packs of these. Now you might think I'm nuts because what family needs 120 eggs? What family of 3 needs 120 eggs? But we go through eggs a lot. We eat eggs in the morning for breakfast. I bake. Oh, let's see, somebody needs more. Do you want more? Or are you all done? I bake a lot of things for my son, which require eggs. Do you want more? Okay. So yeah, I bake a lot of things for him that have eggs in it. So we go through those eggs really quickly. But that's the last of the food items that I got. The last items are cleaning things. So scrubbing bubbles. We needed dish soap. So I picked up the Kirkland brand dish soap. And then lastly, we needed dishwasher packs. So that is everything. It seems like we got nothing and we spent $260 something. But inflation, Wow, I really feel like we got nothing. But anyway, I need more things. I have to go to Target and maybe our local Ralph's to grab some more things. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna put all this stuff away and then run out and get the rest of what we need for certain specific recipes that I had in mind for next week. This is my realistic fridge. I used to have a beautiful organized fridge way more often than I do these days, but mom life, I don't have time. I don't have time. Things as we eat them, they last way longer. Whew, I literally carried up 3 really heavy bags up the stairs, and my son, who's like 22 pounds. So I am out of breath. But I just got back from Target and my local Ralph's. So I'm just gonna show you guys really quick what I picked up, and then I'm gonna put everything away, make dinner for my family, and clean up the kitchen probably. Oh, he's walking the tortillas. Can I have him? No, I'll let him play with it. He's not yelling, right? Anyway, I picked up from Target strawberries, Ripple milk. This is the unsweetened one. We have been giving him Ripple Kids because dairy milk makes his stomach upset, but I didn't know there's sugar in here, and I don't like to give him sugar, but I do like that this has DHA, omega-3 and choline and prebiotics and pea protein, like all these things. Well, this has the same protein, but basically it just has more vitamins than this one does. So we're just kind of mixing milks, and I think I'm going to start giving him half unsweetened Ripple and half of this. We wanted to try soy also instead of almond milk because that's more nutritious than almond milk. So we're just playing with different milk alternatives. Also from Target, we got 4 cans of tomato sauce. I use this a lot for rices. I got some Pillsbury Crescent rolls. These I keep seeing on Instagram reels in different cool recipes, so I want to try some of those out. And then I grabbed 2 of each cheddar, mild cheddar, and mozzarella. All of this, like, the reason I go to all these different places is because I'm buying the things that are less expensive at specific places. So anything I get from Costco is cheaper than Target and Ralph's. Anything I get from Target is cheaper than Ralph's, and then Ralph's is the last one, because I realized this year when my husband and I started like really cracking down and starting to budget and like make moves in our life, we're like not playing around in 2023. I realized the place I've been going to and just grocery shopping without a thought in the world is actually way more expensive than even Target. And I got 2 Chobani Greek non-fat plain yogurts for baby boy, 2 jasmine rice packets, and 2 white rice, long grain white rice packets, and then 2 packages of ground turkey. And then my husband needed deodorant, so I got him some of his deodorant. My son decided to unpackage everything for me from Ralph's. Thank you, bebe. So from Ralph's I got Italian parsley. I got 4 bananas. They're on super sale right now, bananas, because I guess they have a ton of them available. So that was a good deal. I got 2 limes. Got 3 lemons. I got 4 Roma tomatoes. I got 2 green bell peppers. I got 4 carrots. I like to roast those. I got a jalapeno because I saw some recipe where when you make your rice, your yellow rice with like the tomato sauce, you could put this in the pot while it's cooking, and it looked really good. So I want to try it. Then along the lines of the rice, I got this Knorr tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. I have the just chicken one that I use for a lot of different things, but I saw in that same recipe that she put some of this in there, so I want to try it. And then peeled garlic. I haven't bought garlic whole in like a year. I just buy it already peeled because I feel like, well, I did the math and it's not any more expensive to buy the peeled Kroger brand garlic, and I hate the little papery stuff that gets stuck to your fingers. Oh my god, I can't. It's awful. And then I got 2 small avocados. These look perfect for like 1 serving. Then we got 1 package of ground beef, and I like the Mission Carb Balance whole wheat tortillas. The last 2 things we got are a 5-pound bag of gold potatoes and a bag of yellow onions. So that's everything from today. Most of this stuff will last my family 2 to 4 weeks, depending obviously on the item. The rest of the weeks it'll just be small little grocery runs here and there, which is great. I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and then yeah, I'm gonna start cooking dinner. That's all for this video. I'm gonna call it a done deal. I need to put all these groceries away, make dinner, tend to this little boy. We got a busy night, so hope you enjoyed seeing what I do for grocery shopping for the first week of the month. This is a really heavy grocery shop, and we were out of a lot of things. So yeah, but see you guys in the next video, and peace out.